Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's grow some kitchen scraps, starting with one of the easiest ones to do, green onions. I have this bunch of green onions that I let sit in my fridge a bit too long and they got a little crunchy. No biggie, I'll cut the ends off about a ½ inch long and then cut the rest of the onion up as far as I can. The parts that can be used are going into a recipe that I made on my other channel that will be posted in December. The tip tops that can't be used will go into compost or be fed to the chickens. If you aren't adding them to a recipe right away, just store the parts that you cut up in the fridge. Even at this stage, they will be usable over the next couple of days. You need to acquire two other things to do this, a container and some dirt. I'm going to be putting this bunch into a coffee cup that I filled with dirt. Dirt is everywhere, so you can use dirt from outside or potting soil. You really don't have to be fussy about growing things. Your plants have absolutely no idea what the rules are that they're supposed to be following. Next, we are going to use either our finger or a stick-shaped item of some sort to make a hole in the dirt, put the onion bottom in, pinch a little dirt around it, and repeat until all of your onions are planted in the soil. You may be surprised at how quick and easy growing green onion kitchen scraps really is. Also, don't worry about overcrowding your green onions. They really don't mind sitting in the dirt really close to their neighbor. Here we have a coffee cup completely planted. As you can see, they look like they are too close together, but in reality, the plants just don't care. This is a pot of onions that I planted a few days ago. They grow really fast when they have enough water and are sitting in a sunny location. I can add onions to this pot as time goes on, so eventually this pot will be exploding with green onions. Why do I grow green onions inside? Well, because they are there when I want them or need them to add flavor to a recipe. Plus the price is going up, and to me, a straggly bundle of 8 small onions for 79 cents just doesn't sound like a good idea when I can get a better quality onion top by growing it myself for free. And you're getting a sneak peek at the shelf in my kitchen window, and it reveals broccoli, microgreens, coleus, bamboo, and hydroponic banana pepper plant that you'll be seeing in a video soon. I placed our coffee cup of green onions on the shelf so it'll be available to suck up some sunlight. It's had a nice drink of water, and we'll come back in a few days and I'll show you the progress on our kitchen scrap project. These are our onions about a week after planting them in our coffee cup. At this point, you could take a snip to use in any dish if you wanted to. I can't remember if I said it before, but as long as you take care of these onions, they will continue to grow for you. And here are the onions that were less than a week old in the beginning of this video. My basil plant in there is looking a bit peaked, but that's okay. I will probably replant it and put it into my kitchen aquarium garden soon. And this is what our green onions look like today, December 20th, 22 days after I dropped the roots into the dirt. I have resisted the urge to cut any of the onions in the cup so you can see just how quickly they do grow. I do have to tell you that I did add another bundle of 8 onion roots to the cup, and as you can see, they're growing nicely too. I'm also going to give you a sneak peek at my hydroponic banana pepper that I'm attempting to grow. I have no idea if this will work, but it's definitely worth a try. You can't see it in the video, but I do have a large glass shade to go over it that will keep it from spreading out, kind of like a tomato cage. I thought I'd update you on my other pot of onions while we are here also. I put another bundle into this pot, and they are starting to make their presence known. So that's going to be the end of our kitchen scrap video number 1. In the next few videos over the next few months, since it's winter time, I'm going to be showing you a lot of my little projects of growing food inside, like what you're seeing here. This is my tomato plant today, and it's looking pretty freaking good, and this thing is huge. So I do trim it, but we're going to do a separate video on that so I can explain to you how I am getting this tomato plant to grow so beautifully inside. That's going to be it. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.